You were so rude. I don't want to pet you. I pet you for hours already. Hours. Can't do it anymore, buddy.
When the excitement's real, the wiggle is even realer. Shake it, buddy. We've got acrobat dogs now, backflips by the swing. Someone sign this pup up for the circus. This dog's like, excuse me, bird, personal space? What's that? Stairs? More like the ultimate doggy bed. Look how cozy this guy is. Hand stack challenge. This pup's all about that life. The purest reaction ever. Riding in style. This pup's like, yeah, I've got places to be.
What are you doing?
Busted. Caught in 4K chewing that plant. I swear it wasn't me. This window was not ready for the incoming doggy faceplant. Ouch. Beds are overrated. This pup's got a unique way to get comfy. When your dog's your personal YouTube holder, what a team player. Chillin' with the fan like a king. The definition of cool. What have you been up to? Muddy paws, but innocent face. This dog just straight up unlocked the window. Escape artist alert. Forget gym buddies. Get yourself a dog who can spin the rope. Let's go! Is there anything cuter than a toddler feeding a dog? I think not.
Look.
When you and your buddy both need to escape the house, teamwork makes the dream work.
¿De dónde sacaste eso? Dame que te lo abro.
Not just escape artists, but full-on heist planners. These pups have seen too many movies. You snooze, you lose, man. The food's gone before the meeting even starts.
The legs are hurt.
Finally, hard work pays off, especially when it's for a toy. Persistence level, max.
Verdinho, cadê tua orelha? Cadê tua orelha? Ah, daí. Ué. Olha, ih, que isso, cara?
Ai, meu Deus do céu.
On peut se voir chez toi comme tu disais, j'ai pas vu.
Bah vas-y. Bonne soirée.
Doggo and Kitty proving once again, love knows no bounds. Best bat retriever in the game. Always got to check in with the crew first.
Meu Deus.
1, 2, 3, go! Oops, sorry, didn't see you there. Owner down, but it's all in good fun.
Vem cá, vem cá. Ei, meu mercado, meu Deus! Vem cá!
Ty wszystkie zjadasz? Weź no. No, to po prostu...
That moment when the leash does the walking. I'm making friends, you're just along for the ride. Close call, but we got a rescue. No balcony will stop this adventurous pup.
What's wrong? Give Dad a sugar. What is it? Give Dad a sugar.
Small dog, big ambitions. That stick is twice his size, but no problem here.
Oscar, be careful.
Sometimes the best toys are the ones that chase you back. Go dog, go. Surf's up. This dog's got more style on the waves than half of us.
Tell him to get out of here, MB. I'm trying. Fight him. Good girl, Ember. Good girl.
These dogs have it all. From flips to waves, naps to wiggles. Which pup made you laugh the hardest? Let us know in the comments.